Hello. Welcome to the No Thrills channel. I'm documenting an experience I had while cutting multiple tabs out of a 3/16 sheet of plate. And I was having intermittent success, and I wasn't quite sure, so I was trying to play with the settings, particularly the pierce delay, because that setting delays when the table starts moving the torch, so wait till it kind of pierces through. So I changed that from 0.07 seconds to 1 second, and that seemed to be a better setting. But what created confusion initially was I started cutting out these blocks of 8, and then when I got here, it had trouble. These didn't cut all the way through. It cut the hole. The path cuts the hole first, and then comes here and starts its path around. But then it had issues here at the end. It started this one, and it worked these 3 successfully, and then came down here and had the same struggles. I thought it was due to warping of the metal, but it shouldn't be an issue because I do have the torch height controller, and that's supposed to accommodate for it. So I adjusted the feed rate, and I played with it a little bit here, trying to just get it to work. But in the end, it turned out to be...
Tip ain't no good, dummy!
He's right, folks. The tip was bad. And it's a good learning experience for me. I'd like them to last a little bit longer because some of my projects make quite a few cuts, and having them fail in the middle of them isn't good at all. Here's a couple example of tips. This is the one that was on here, and it also cut almost the same size sheet of almost the whole sheet of a 1/4 inch. So it's just a matter of figuring out ways to get these to last longer, not so much from a cost perspective, but so that your project doesn't get kind of caught in the middle. Although you can, when it does fail, you'll get a screen error, complaining about the voltage, and then at that point you could probably swap it out and then restart the path where it left off. The other option for me here is to I'm going to reduce the hose lengths on the air dryer. These are all I had at the time, so I used them, but they're like 20 feet long, and there may be condensation building up in the hose after the air dryer. I don't know, but I'll shorten those down to 6 feet, not only from the compressor to the air dryer, but from the air dryer to the plasma cutter. This just is showing, this was before I got the air dryer. The air dryer does make a world of difference, not only with the tips, but also with the cutting results. There's a lot less slag, and it's just, as you can see, this looks really good to me. And these pieces will just drop right out. Okay, that's it. Hope it's helpful. If you have any info on how you're getting a longer life out of the plasma cutting tips, please post them in the comment. Thanks, and take care.